Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop images in Canva. So first of all, open up Canva. Now once you're in Canva, create a new project and upload the picture that you want to crop. So I will be going for this picture right here. Now after you got any picture, select that picture and swipe at the bottom right here until you find crop. Just click on it and from there crop the amount of picture that you want. Let's say I want to go for this train area. And then if you go to rotate window right here, you can rotate the picture by just adjusting this slider. For example, the picture has now been adjusted. Now you can get like a rotated version of this train. So you can do that as well. And if you want to have like fixed crops, you can do that as well. Go to aspect ratio and select a size that you like. I will go for let's say 9 by 16. So that amount of picture would be cropped. And after that, click on done and the picture would be cropped. So that is how you can crop a picture in Canva. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop images in Canva. So first of all, open up Canva. Now once you're in Canva, create a new project and upload the picture that you want to crop. So I have uploaded this picture right here. Now after you uploaded your picture, click on the picture and in here click on edit image. And in here go to this crop section and in here select the area that you want to crop. I just want this train part, so I'm just gonna adjust it. Now you can also rotate the picture so that you get a better shot. Just adjust the slider and the picture will rotate. You can rotate it either ways. I will keep it at 0. I just want this part right here. Let's say this part, yes. And after that, click on done and that part would be cropped out. After that, you can just download it and that is how you can crop an image in Canva.